हेलो गाइस, अनदर वीडियो। मैं इस वक्त ग्रीन्स में हूँ और ये ग्रीन्स की स्ट्रीट है। ये राउंड अबाउट है ग्रीन्स का। और सामने जो पुल देख रहे हैं आप, ये हर कम्युनिटी में पुल होता है। ये 4 बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं, इन चारों में से हर कम्युनिटी में ये पुल होता है आपका। एवरी कम्युनिटी 4 बिल्डिंग्स, देयर इज 4 communities and 4 having a same community, which is this one is for all accessible. And this is one bedroom apartment, and this one you have kitchen with appliances. This is dishwasher. See, this is dishwasher. And there's a fridge. You have cooker. It's electronic. And this space you have for the cloth washing machine. This is for the, you can keep some you know how to use it. And the bathroom is common actually. From here and till here is a common bathroom. One bathroom for the guests also, and this is room also. So this is actually from here there. This is the bathroom storage. Alright guys, for more videos and if you want to watch Dubai properties, please subscribe my channel and like, share if somebody looking for the property in Dubai. Thank you so much.